5 years ago, two organizations, the Konrad Adenauer Foundation, Office North Macedonia, and the Wilfred Martens Center for European Studies, Brussels, have joined their capacities to provide young people a platform for exchange of experiences and opinions on topics of public interest. What then started as a project idea grew into an annual event that brings together young students, researchers, and eminent lecturers from all over the region, including 10 countries: Albania, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Bulgaria, Croatia, Greece, Kosovo, Montenegro, North Macedonia, Serbia, and Slovenia. The main goal of the school is to shift the status quo concerning the civic perception of religious, national, and cultural differences among academic youth in the region. Reaching this, 5 multi-day schools were organized in which over 160 students and 40 lecturers took part in the period between 2016 and 2020. We discussed topics that are of great importance to a society: diversity and inclusion, identity and culture, multiculturalism, reconciliation, intercultural communication, cooperation and development, values and religion, and many more. Use different methods in our approach: brainstorming, lectures, panel discussions, workshops, study visits, and encouraged young people to work together and take initiative to make a positive change in their local community. All of that resulted in implementation of initiatives in 6 different countries. Talking locally, online discussion combating political apathy among young people, Bulgaria and Serbia. Adopt a grandparent, lifelong learning and digitalization for inclusion of elderly people in times of pandemic, Greece. Sweet House, workshop on inclusion and greater engagement of vulnerable people, victims of domestic violence, in community activities, Kosovo. Youth thoughts on political events and the impact of fake news. Online survey on major political and social developments and their influence on youth, Montenegro and North Macedonia. We remain committed to the education of youth in the region. The youth of today are the leaders of tomorrow.